Good morning to all Wisdomanic to the session of Sunday. Now I will discuss about how to read newspaper. I request all of you to watch the videos till the end and also put your likes.
Like our channel.
And also subscribe our channel of Wisdomania. Now I will try to demonstrate you from the newspaper called the Hindu. This is the Hindu newspaper, how to read a newspaper. To begin with, I will start to first brief you what is, how to garner the habits of reading newspaper. The first things you should start from early stage of your life. I will suggest you from class 5 to 6 everybody should start reading newspaper. To start with, you should choose your own mother tongue, a vernacular newspaper to start with. When you grow up from class 10, you should go to start reading newspaper of English. I suggest the Hindu newspaper because the language is very lucid and understandable. So, if you start reading newspaper from class 10, you can start preparing for UPSC exam or government service exam, state government and central government from class 10. Now, the most of students are confused and they don't know how to read paper. At our Wisdomania every Saturday, Sunday, we discussed many issues from the newspaper across the globe, analyzing the news, analyzing the reports and thrive our knowledge and wisdom. Now, I also suggest the techniques how you can go about reading newspaper. Remember, the objective of reading newspaper are multi-purpose. The first objective, you can thrive yourself with interdisciplinary knowledge and areas. Newspaper connect you to the interdisciplinary areas. You can connect to concept from the subject you are studying, which you can see practical application when you read newspaper. It will improve your fundamentals of the subject by connecting to the concept. As well as while reading English newspaper, it will help you to develop your sense of English language in communicative English as well as written English. So both way you will be benefited by developing your vocabulary sense. Newspaper is the abundant source of vocabulary, English vocabulary. Also, construction or framing of sentence, using of idioms, applications of idioms and particularly English grammar will give you enormous amount of trust to your English proficiency. So, it is imperative and it is absolutely critical to read newspaper, and more important, you want to be a analyst, because if you want to go for IAS exam or other government exam, you need to have a very good analytics mind. Newspaper will provide you that ecosystem where you can analyze the issue more deeply and more convincingly. So there is a multi-purpose functions that newspaper provides you. It connects you to the subject with practical approach. So now I am going to how to read newspaper. The first things, you pick up a newspaper as your convenience, as per your convenience. If you are today, I will discuss about English newspaper. Same thing you can follow in your vernacular news. This is a Hindu newspaper. So once you read newspaper, first read the name of the newspaper. The name of the newspaper is called The Hindu. Okay. Now, this is a brand name. This you have to go from the root. This newspaper comes under media. It is called print media. This is one sector of the business. Now this is a product called print. The product is called print media. The name of the print media is called The Hindu. This is a brand. Now who is marketed? That you should know. Now you should go to the newspaper. You can see it has given a details about Hindu, which is written India's national newspaper since 1878. This newspaper is one of the oldest published newspaper in India, starting from 1878 during the regime of Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Okay, Ramakrishna died at 1885 and this newspaper started 1878. Now, what is the name of a company? You won't find the name. Here it is not written, so you need to Google it. Go to Google, type The Hindu and ask that who is the company. You will find Kasturba Company Limited. Kasturi Company. This is the name of the company whose brand name is The Hindu. And where is their head office? Head office is in Chennai. Now, here it is written all the city name in India from where this printing happened. Like first things is printed at Chennai. Chennai is the head office. Coimbatore, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Madurai, Noida, Visakhapatnam, Thiruvananthapuram, Kochi, Vijayawada, Mangaluru, Tiruchirappalli, Kolkata, Hubli, Mohali, Malappuram, Mumbai, Tirupati, Lucknow, Kotak and Patna. I want to say, when you read newspaper, go ins and outs of the newspaper. Name of the newspaper, the brand name, from where it is published. So these are number of cities from there. The price also important. The price is 5 rupees. This is Sunday newspaper. That's why 15 rupees is nominal price and 5 rupees is surcharge for 20 rupees. But other day its price is 11 rupees. Now, second part is who publish news, who select the news. How the news is being selected. I told you there is a newspaper follow the structure of pyramid. Let me concentrate here. How a newspaper follow the reporting. The reporting pattern of newspaper follow like that. It's very simple and convincing. You can learn very fast. Newspaper follow the pyramid pattern. It is being taught in mass communication subject. Newspaper follow pyramid pattern. What is pyramid pattern? You will see the news, the reports of the newspaper start following in ascending order. The first news, in the beginning, take any news. You see the news has been segregated in different paragraphs. So this is the first paragraph. First paragraph. This is the second. This is the third. This is fourth and this is fifth and this is last. So you can easily see the first paragraph contains small short part of the news, which is in a summary or précis form. Second paragraph, it's little bit of more than first. Third is more, fourth is more, and fifth at the end it will cover entire news. Why they follow this type of pattern? Now, because for the reader, this is being designed by seeing the reader. There are many types of reader in newspaper. Suppose who is a avid reader who need to read newspaper regularly, he don't have time in the early morning you will only read first paragraph. First paragraph will give you a superficial idea about the whole news. But when you start reading full, you will get more depth about the news. And when you read the last paragraph, you will get full information. This is nothing but the flow of information in phase wise. In first paragraph, information flow is limited. Second is little bit more. Third is more. Fourth is more. So once you read entire news, you will get entire information in depth. That's why they follow the pyramid structure in newspaper. So what you need to do, if you don't have time, just read first paragraph. When you have more time, then read entire news. But makes this big. And this another more important thing, who select this news. In newspaper, the editor is the top boss. Editor is the main boss in newspaper. What is the functions of editor? See, there are journalists of different field. Like this is sports, this is science and technology, this is say politics, political, this is say business. These are all journalists or news reporter. They collect this information news from the market or different sources. So every newspaper there are different journalists. Journalists are called scribe also. SCRIBE. So they collect the news from primary source or secondary source, and they of different field, and they makes a report. They make a report. That report they send it to their head office. In their head office, there is a sub-editor who review all the reports and who does editing, and he send it to the editor. He is the head of news reporting. Editor is like a CEO of a newspaper. Editor edits entire news before giving his final approval for printing. Is it clear? I think it is very crystal clear. See, this report maybe a journalist has sent in a big form, but it requires editing. So who does editing? Sub-editor. First point, after he will send to editor, editor will check, will monitor, will review, and according to the review, he will cut short, edit the news, and he will finally go for approval. This is entire newspaper work. So first page is very important. The first page news are most important news for the day. Second page, every newspaper follow one. It is in written north. Okay, I will take another newspaper. It will be very easy for you to understand. That's it. So first page, second page, north has written. So you see the north and east, all the news from north and east. You have to follow the headlines of the page. You can understand under which area the news is being covered. And the most important things for the student, particularly who wants to prepare for government exam or others, particularly civil service exam, for them it is mandatory to read editorial page. And now I will explain what is editorial page. Editorial page is nothing but the opinion of the editor of the newspaper. That is, in another way, opinion of the newspaper company also on a issue. So this is very important. This is called analysis paper. And after that, there are expert opinions. This is more important. So every page there is an expert opinion. I suggest Wisdomany as well as aspirant for government jobs must read these things. But you cannot read this thing, you cannot understand this thing until or unless you go to the headlines. It is analysis from the expert of the domain. But it will only comprehensible and understandable only you know that area. If you read this editorial page and read opinion, you will have an in-depth knowledge about the issue on the topic, or you can start analyzing is better. And after that, other news is the sports news, economics news, all news are segregated according to you. This is all about. So I will suggest all of you start reading English newspaper and connect with your subject area. Thank you for the day.
Sir, some things are wrong.